Did you fix it yet, honey?
Huh?
Did you fix it?
Almost.
Almost?
Get in there. Shut up. It's fine.
Oh.
Just hit it over with all this junk. Throw all this out.
What?
Throw it all out.
Don't throw in any of that. It's our
Throw it
food.
all out. I just gotta screw this back into there.
I think we need a new fridge.
Get rid of that. I don't need that either. All we really need is just a tree on the bottom.
Oh, yeah?
We don't need any of this shit on top. That's
And that's how you fix a freezer, huh?
That's what I'm saying. You don't play games with it all night? No. There, it's fixed. Where's all this shit go?
I don't know.
Let's just put it down there.
You're such a handy man.
I hate to say it. Handy, handy dandy.
Nobody fixes stuff like you do. I don't think anybody else could have done such a wonderful job.
I don't know how else to fix something like this. Throw that shit in there. All this broke up, so you might want to rewrap it.
Yeah?
You just take the door off.
Are we getting a new refrigerator for Christmas now?
We're not getting nothing for Christmas. You're getting fucking cold.
Good thing it's wintertime. We could just put the frozen stuff out on the back patio there. Oh, that was my good bread.
Not anymore. It's still fine.
We'll give it to the birds. I'm not eating it.
Yeah, sure.
No,
That's that shit in there. I'm gonna go get the stuff out of there. Okay, I fixed